Hey guys, 13, and today's video is going to be a glam makeup tutorial. Without further ado, make sure to subscribe down below by hitting the red subscribe rectangular button. Make it gray, hit that little thumbs up button, and make sure to share this video with your friends and family to make the channel grow. Guys, remember when I started freshman year? It's been like, oh my god, I've been doing YouTube since freshman year, now I'm a senior. Step 1, hydration. Primer. So I'm going to be using the Professionals Pore Primer. It's so mini. Look at Bianca. I never use primer, but since it's a glam look, well, we gotta do like the little glam look steps. Okay, so my nose. Yeah. I have a pimple in my nose. You wanna see it? Yeet, just kidding. I don't think that belongs to my nose. Next step, foundation. So as you guys may know by all my makeup tutorials, I don't really use foundation. I use BB cream because it's better for your face. I'm going to be using the Real Techniques makeup sponge with the Mario Blescu rose water. Bam, 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 bam. So the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh in the shade 110, like to medium.
Bands in my pocket, it's on me. Honey deep when I roll like the army. Get more bottles, these bottles are lonely. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow.
Concealer. I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty Box Concealer. The Light to Warm Concealer. It's just comes like in this little, like, you guys seen it before. It's like this little plastic container thingy. So I did my eyebrows off camera, I pomade them, I concealed them. Now I'm going off to the NYX Happy Birthday palette, and I'm going to be using this shade on my crease right here, this brownie shade.
They say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit, everybody wanna be rich, everybody wanna be this. If us, you all hate me, then read my because I'll touch my dust and off. My niggas stand it out. Public opinions for private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout, do anything for clout. This is mass, this trash. Ask her the grouch.
I'm going to go in with this color right here on the V of my eyes.
How you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C it pushes, you deserve it. In your DM, they be thirsty. And in person, but you're curving. Curvy little body, love your surface. Yeah, I'm along your body, make you nervous. I like the way you keep up with your earnings.
Now I'm gonna go into my Ulta Beauty eyeshadow palette. I don't know the name of the palette, and I'm going to grab the Wet n Wild this type of brush. I'm going to wet it, and I'm going to be using, if I'm not mistaken, it's a shade Ball Gown or Duchess. I don't know because I don't know how it's flipped. Yeah. Right there.
I think it's bad. It's a gift from God. I think you broke. Need to get a job. Now I'm a boss. I write my own name on the checks. So good, I said my own name during sex. I might smack her because I felt like it.
I think I want to blend like in between this part and this part with like a purpley shadow. A color, it's either Pixie or Kiss. Like I said, I don't understand this palette. It's going to be this shade right here. It's like a light purple. This shade right here, super light. I think it's the shade Fantasy or Spellbound.
Small waist, pretty face. Having my way,
So we don't got any harsh lines.
Talk to me, baby. You so pretty, little missy, baby. I got one night for you.
You see? Blended, harsh. Blended, harsh. blended called either Kiss or Pixie. Right there.
I heard that Cardi went pop. Yeah, I did go pop, pop. That's me busting that bubble.
To line my waterline, that I am going to go in with a combination of these two shades. So it's glittery, this purple and this glitter purple. I am going to do a winged eyeliner.
Let's get it straight, girl. You don't need a nigga for nothing. Looking better every day. You got that Benjamin Button. Claiming he don't got a girl. You know niggas be frontin'. You don't need no bitch coming up to you as a woman. Ayy, and you a boss, so you hate when niggas waste time. You too pretty to be paused on the FaceTime. Damn, I'm just stating the facts.
I feel so like rebellious in a rock band. Okay, so I finished my eye look. I just need to put on mascara now, but I am going to do my lips now, and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay The Ultimate Pair in Back Talk and Rush, the lip liner and the lipstick.
Everything okay. I think I found my new babe. In the city where she stays. She look like she's from LA. I might hit it with this work. Make it feel like I'm her first. I might put her in a verse. I might buy a new verse. Shorty, she open. Shorty, she open. Shorty, she open. I got her soaking. I got her soaking. I got her soaking. Gonna to play with me. Gonna come stay with me. Gonna to lay with me.
Okay, so for mascara, I'm going to go in with the first layer will be the Clinique High Impact Mascara, and the second layer will be the IT Cosmetics Superhero. So I only need to finish the contour and the one mascara eye. Going in with the Daisy Fuentes contouring brush and the Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee.
Money you got a lot. How many problems you got a lot. How many people done doubted a lot. Left you out to rot a lot.
I'm going in with the Ulta Beauty blush in the shade Pink Nectar with the Real Techniques cheek brush.
Oh, I see it in you. You just left your man, that's too bad.
Now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 310 highlighting brush with the Opal by Becca Champagne. I'm mixing up these names with the Becca Opal highlighter.
So we are done, guys. I hope you liked my very first glam makeup look here on my channel. And if you want more, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Like I said, subscribe down below, share it with your friends and family. Let's make the Pink Eyes channel grow. So see you very soon, Mermaid Acorn.